Step 1. Shave your head, wet or dry. Make sure your hair is extremely short. Like this guy. His hair is so short, he can't even feel it. Step 2. Clean your face and scalp with H2O. Look how powerfully he's drying himself. But in Step 3, you have to caress that precious head. Nice! Step 4. Apply the ultimate armored scalp moisturizer evenly to your scalp, face and neck to avoid post-shave skin irritations. Defend your scalp with BALDFORCE.